Well. So you want to find out how to make an edit Rizz of your own, how to put yourself in an edit on Omegle or Ometv? Well, I got y'all. This the place for it. A lot of you guys have been asking me, yo Cheddar, how do you make your videos and how do you like do your edit Rizz and whatever? I'm gonna tell you guys what I use. All right, one thing you're gonna need is first a camera, something to record yourself with. Obviously you can use your phone if you want to, and then the second thing is you're also gonna need your phone again. Now let me tell you what you're gonna do with these phones. One of them is gonna be recording, and then the second one is gonna be the one you edit on, or you can edit on the same phone, record on the same phone, and then edit after. Now a lot of you guys think that all my edits are done on like my computer. First of all, you're wrong about that. Most of these bigger creators that you guys see, they do these edit Rizz videos and Omegle Rizz, they mostly make their edits on CapCut. All right, it's an app called CapCut, not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. It's an app called CapCut. I'm gonna show you guys right now. You can go on your app store. Once you guys are on your app store, all you guys have to do is literally just search up CapCut. Now that is the simple basics of what you guys do need to do this edit Rizz videos that I do and other creators do and your favorite creators do. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I do mine, and I'm gonna record a video right now, a brand new edit Rizz video. I'm gonna just do one real quick and I'm gonna edit it on my phone. You guys are gonna go through the whole process with me. It doesn't take too long to edit those videos, except I do one on my computer. Yes, I do have as you guys can see on my computer right here, I do indeed have Photoshop and After Effects, and I also do have Premiere Pro, but I barely use those because I don't always have time to sit there and edit a video for about like an hour, 2 hours. Like I don't got time for that, you know what I'm saying? But with CapCut, it makes it easier and faster. I go ahead and just edit the video, and it's like it takes what, 15-20 minutes, and you know, but the longer part, the part that takes really long sometimes is the clips, because you know I try not to make my clips repetitive. I try to add props in my clips. I try to do other stuff in the clips to make it interesting, so people just don't skip, or like they've seen me before on the internet and then they just know what I'm gonna do automatically. That's why every single video you guys see me with or that I drop is a different it's a different type of edit. So yeah, let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record a couple clips. You guys are gonna see me record a couple clips. I'm gonna just edit it and you guys are gonna see. So yeah, let's not waste no time and let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, make sure you guys do have a song that you guys want to use for your edit Rizz. There's a lot of songs on TikTok that you guys can use, and there's also a lot of like songs on YouTube for like edits and stuff, so you guys can just go ahead and look through them and just find one of your choice. And now once you guys do find one, I do have my phone right here. I'm just gonna record it real quick. Let me back up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna record. All right, so as you guys can see right now, we are on CapCut. I don't know if you guys can see, y'all see the screen recording, but y'all see my camera also. We are on CapCut right now, and so what you're gonna do is just go ahead and click new project. Now disclaimer, all right, I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. For you guys to be able to do cooler effects and better transitions and stuff like that, you guys will need CapCut Pro. I think they got a Black Friday sale going on right now. I'm not sure, but I already have CapCut Pro. So but it's about $7, and I think the Black Friday sale is about like $5 or something like that. But make sure you guys to go ahead and purchase that if you guys want to have the most and get the most out of CapCut. But also, if you guys don't have money for that, it's also fine. Your video quality would just be slightly lesser. Is that even a word? My bad. Slightly less. But what you guys are gonna do is you guys can use the Pro effects, but it's not gonna let you guys be able to export it. But what you guys can do is screen record and crop. But your video quality will, you know, reduce by a little bit though. But yeah, so go ahead, click your projects, whatever, find like your first clip, click that clip. Now once you guys do got your clip, I'm gonna show you guys how I edit. This is not exactly how I edit, but I'm just gonna like, there is templates, as you guys can see on my screen right now. There's a lot of templates. Like, damn, can I? Okay, the template just vanished. But yeah, you can click any one of these templates. But I'm still shaking. So you guys can use one of these like pre-made templates and stuff. You know, they're pretty cool. I've used one in the past before. But yeah, if you guys do want to do the most with your edit, make sure you guys do edit your own videos, all right? Alright y'all, so we're finally done with the edit right now. As you guys can see on my phone right here, we are done with the edit. Alright, so I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm gonna go ahead and send this clip that we just edited straight to my computer because my phone is indeed on 2%. It's about to die. All right, y'all, can y'all see me? Are we good? Are we good? All right, bet. We on Ometv right now. We're finna see who we can find or who we can talk to. My camera angle is kind of weird. Let's go ahead and test this shit out real quick though. You good?
Yeah, why?
You just vibing?
Yeah, basically.
Oh shit. Nothing, just chilling, vibing. Where you from?
Same. Canada.
Canada?
Yeah.
That's fire. I like your hair.
Thank you.
Wait, it's all natural?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's fire.
Everything.
Fire curls.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got a question
Thanks.
for you.
What's the question?
So like, I'm out here practicing my Rizz, right? Can I like test it out on you real quick?
Yeah, sure.
I bet. Hold on. Fuck with that. Rate that from 1 to 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Appreciate it. Well, you have a great day. All right.
You too.
Bye. Oh, I caught it. All right, boys. Well, that's about it, man. That's what y'all see. That's what y'all get. That's how you do the edit Rizz, man. Simple as that, man. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to, you know, literally like, damn, y'all can see two of me. I don't like that. I don't like that. No, hold on. We get rid of this one. I bet. All right. So once again, we're back. If you guys want to see in-depth tutorials on how to put your stuff into OBS and be able to edit it into motherfucking Ometv and stuff like that, y'all let me know down below. I will give you guys an in-depth tutorial. All right, y'all just let me know. DM me. A lot of y'all been DMing me about this on Instagram, man. DM me some more if you guys want to see some more shit. All right, try harder. But let me stop playing, man. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I love y'all, man. I love y'all to death. And yeah, to the next video. It's been your boy Cheddar. Peace out. Don't worry about my shorts when I stand up. It's like a cool little outro to make the video look kind of cool when I stand up. Yeah, just don't worry about it. Let me stand up. Bye.